Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite baby girl, FUNMYTE. Right guys, if today is the first time on this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and please turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Right, so guys, please ignore these glasses, you can see that the stones are coming off, but we're gonna be rocking it like that, like nothing is happening. Yeah, so yeah, in today's video guys, I want to answer some questions that I received over the weekend, and also to share more about this care assistant visa. Yeah, so let's just go straight to the questions. So I might not be answering all. Yeah, so in my next video then I will make another video answering the rest of all the questions. Yeah, so because I don't want this video to be super long, and I'm so sorry if you're hearing any noises here. My little man is here. So the first question is could you please talk about apprenticeship nursing associates program? Yeah, this question I will come back to this question, right? So because I would like to say some things before jumping right into this question. Yeah, the role of a healthcare assistant in the UK. So I got some questions asking me of the role of a healthcare assistant in the UK. Yeah, I'm gonna mention that as well. I will talk more on that as well, but not now. And another question is asking, I have been applying for so long and I haven't been getting any response. So let me tell you something. This visa, I mean, it is legit. Yes, the UK is recruiting people from any part of the world. Yes, so they are not recruiting healthcare assistants, and this type of a visa is something that is kind of new. And yeah, this visa will not last for long as well. It will only last for, I would say, a year. So it is a very good time to take up on this opportunity, and please apply. Yes, you might apply to so many places and you get refused. Yes, but keep applying. Don't give up on this visa, because I mean, for me, during my own time, I don't even have this opportunity of to choose the type of kind of visa. I came as a student, and at the time it was only student visa and or visiting visa. I mean, some kind of visa that are not visas that you can actually are kind of independent. You get what I mean? Yeah. So but now they are making visa so easy, and they're making it more, I mean, more easy for people to be able to come into this country and work, which I feel like is a very good, I mean, opportunity. Is a great opportunity. And also you'll be able to bring your family over. I mean, what is better than you having your family? If, let's say you are married, what would be so good for you to have your husband, your children, have them with you in the UK. I mean nothing can beat that joy. Yeah, so, and you'll be able to work as well. Your partner will be able to work. Your I mean, it's such a great opportunity, I'm telling you. But yes, you might be trying, but trust me, this, I mean, applying for this role, because I mean, you can imagine how many people we have in the whole world, and trust me, a lot of people are taking on this opportunity. And I mean, you have to be, you have to be always on desk, searching for jobs, applying. Do not rely on just one place. You can apply to 100 places, 200 places. I mean, don't rely on applying on just 5 places or 10 places and you just wait for them to reply you. Keep applying to different places until you get a place that will accept you. And also make sure you also have all the requirements. Just have it ahead, so that when it's time for you to provide all of these documents, you will have them. And what are the requirements for this healthcare assistant role? You really don't have to have a degree or a PhD or some kind of special degree to do this job or to get this job. Yeah, but of course you do need some documents. Yes, and you need to have some type of education for you to be able to do this job. And also you must have your English. You must be able to prove that you can speak English. Yeah, so sorry about that guys, I keep getting distracted by my son. But yeah, so I mean, don't give up. But if you're the type that you don't really have time you're really struggling with, I mean, or you don't even have access to the internet, or you don't have access to the computer, or you don't, I mean, someone that you, I mean, you know that you cannot really, go through all of that stress of applying by yourself. Yes, you can use an agency, and I have just one agency here that I can guarantee. Yes, I mean, I would not just come here and be mentioning the names of agencies that I haven't tried. Yes, I have. These agencies, they are, you know, tested and trusted. Yes, so if you need this agency, you should private chat me, then I will give you the name of this agency. This agency will help you through all this process. They will be the ones to apply for you all through this process. I mean, all the job, I mean, leave it for them. All you have to do is just do as they say. If they need you to do something, just do it. And then they're gonna be taking some classes with you as well through Zoom, doing some trainings with you and all of that. Yes, but yeah, I will not say more on this agency. If you need the agency number, just private chat me on my Instagram page. DM me on Instagram. My Instagram link would be in my description box where you can reach me, or you can email me as well. Yes, I will also leave my email in the description box. People always ask, oh, what's the description box? Description box is, the title of this video right now. If you click on that title, it will take you straight down to the description box. Yes, so just click on that title, you click on it, and it will take you down to the description box, and then you will see everything in there, and all the links or whatnot. If people share links and they tell you to go to the description box, you will see it there. That is where you will see all the information that they shared. Yes, so yeah, so let's leave that on the agency part. But if you want to apply by yourself, you can just go to NHS website, search for Kara jobs with tattoo sponsorship. Kara's job with tattoo sponsorship. Yes, I mean, you will see a lot of this job there, and then you can apply to different places. And there are other websites as well where you can go. You can go to Total Jobs, you can go to Age UK. I mean, there are lots of them, and but be very sure that you are not applying to places where they will scam you. Beware of scam, because a lot of people are getting scammed already regarding this visa routes and all of that. So you have to be very careful not to get scammed. Yes, and also there are some things you will need to be able to get this job, or to apply for this job, or to be accepted for this job. The first thing first, you have to have the knowledge of this job. You have to know what you're coming here to do. What are you coming here to do? What is this job all about? I mean, you need to know what this job is all about, which brings me to the question that the other person asked me, that the role of a healthcare assistant in the UK. What are the roles of a healthcare assistant in the UK? Let me tell you the requirements you will be needing as a healthcare assistant to apply for this role. Get your CV ready and get your COVID vaccine. You need to be double vaccinated before you come to the UK. It was mandatory in the UK as well, but on the 1st of this month, February, the government scrap it. They don't make it compulsory anymore. It was compulsory for workers in the UK. If you're not vaccinated by April, you will get sacked, and you have to leave your job. But it has now been scrapped. Now you don't have to be vaccinated anymore. You don't have to lose your job. But for people that are coming from Nigeria to the UK, you need to be double vaccinated. Yes. So, but they might still change their law tomorrow and scrap it as well. But for now, you need to take notes on that, and I mean, don't let just a vaccine delay you. Yeah. And your travel passport as well, you need to get that ready, and your tuberculosis test certificate, you need to get that done as well and get that ready. Yeah, so, and your secondary school certificate as well, if you have that. So this I'm going to expatiate more on this. There is this test, English test, to prove your English, that you can, you were taught in English, that you were taught in English. You need to prove it. So most people are doing IELTS, this IELTS exam, but you don't have to do it. if you have your secondary school certificate and it's taught in English, um in your secondary school certificate you have maths and English and economics and all other subjects in there. Yes, so as long as you pass your secondary school certificate, if you pass it, if you have credits on there or distinction or anything, you can use it. You cannot use it only if you fail or something, but if you pass, if you have if you have a good result in your secondary school certificate, yes, you can use it. You do not need a IELTS test or test to prove your English. Yeah, so you can use that. And another thing you can then do is convert your secondary school certificate to UK grade, which we call NARIC here. So you need to use NARIC to convert your secondary school certificate into UK grade. Yes, so you can grade your certificates. You can also use your degree or anything, you can convert it to UK grade. Yeah, so if you have a degree as well, you can use it. You don't have to go for IELTS exam. Yeah, and there are some countries that do not have to go for this exam, and they don't even have to convert any NARIC or anything, because they are already a English speaking country. So you can Google that up, English speaking country, and you will see the list of the countries that are there. But if your country is not there, then definitely you need to prove that you can speak English, or you were taught in English, and stuff like that. But please check with the organization you will be applying to, because some of them, they really want the IELTS done, but most of them, they don't really need the IELTS. They just want to see the secondary school certificate or your GCE, or any form of English to prove that you studied in English. You need to get your reference ready as well. Tell people that you are using for reference that they should always check their email so that they can reply quickly, because if they don't hear from your references, this can delay your application as well. It can delay everything and they will not grant it if they don't hear from your references. Yeah, and also to get this job, if you are not in this role already, you need to go and enroll yourself in a hospital. Go there, work there as I think they call it auxiliary nurses in Nigeria. So just go and do this job, apply for it. Do it for about 6 months and then get your certificate. And also you can also use them as reference that you've worked with them. For any reference you're going to be using, it have to be in this role, that people that can reference that, or you've worked in this role. Yes, and make sure, if you're applying by yourself, make sure that whichever company that will be issuing you the certificate of sponsorship, make sure that they have tier 2 eligible sponsor employer, because your application will be refused as well if this agency or this home or this hospital, if they are not under the tier 2 eligible sponsor employer as well. So you need to take note of that. And also proof of fund. Yeah, mostly your employer will carry all of this. There's a place there or your certificate of sponsorship that says proof of funds, and so if they put yes, you don't need to prove any fund. If they already put yes, it means they will be sponsoring everything, at least for the first few days or few months that you'll be arriving in the UK, until you will now start getting paid and all of that, and you can then sort yourself out. Yes, but if it's no on there, it means you have to show proof of fund, that you have some money with you to prove that you can look after yourself before you start your job and start getting paid and all that. You'll be able to look after yourself before then. So yeah, so make sure you read your contract very, very well to be sure of all this, and to be sure of the things that they will be providing for you, so what to do. Yeah, so you need to be very, very hardworking. You need to be always hands-on, looking for job, applying for job in different places. And yes, so if you would like me to talk about something more, or you have any question, please email me. Or thank you so much for watching up to this moment. If you haven't subscribed, please consider clicking on that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Love ya.